Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to play Block Blast. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to play your Block Blast game, all you gotta do is simply download the particular game from your Play Store or your App Store. So once you have downloaded this, you can simply tap on that particular play option. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So playing Block Blast is really easy. All you gotta do is simply select a mode between classic or adventure. So if you're choosing adventure, then there is different kind of steps that you need to cross to take part in the adventure and win the trophy. However, if you're playing classic, then you can simply play the game itself. So to play the game, you need to simply match the tiles and then win. So this is not about winning or losing. This is all about making the highest score. So this is all, and this is how you can play Block Blast. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.